Welcome back, everybody. This is Glockman4519. This is not a ROM overview. This is something I wanted to bring up for a while. I've had some questions on some of the videos I put out, some remarks, basic questions about multi-ROM. Yes, I do use multi-ROM. With the amount of ROMs that I test, and I am a flashaholic. I'll be the first one to admit that. I just love to test and flash ROMs, kernels. Um, that gives me the opportunity to test and test themes and layers, themes, and stuff like that. Um, but in order to do it and actually um, benefit from it, it's best to use multi-ROM. What multi-ROM does is it allows you to have several different ROMs on your system, sitting and waiting and ready to go, and all you have to do is boot to it. The problem was with the standard multi-ROM that was out, it was not working whenever Marshmallow hit. It would work for Lollipop, but if you would try to flash a Marshmallow ROM to, say, a secondary ROM position, you couldn't get it to work. You would get a status code, an error when you flashed. And I can't even remember what the error was now. It's been so long ago since I did this fix. But I can flash any ROM I want to any position, whether it's my primary, secondary, or whatever. Um, as you can see here, I have 5 different ROMs loaded on my phone right now. Now, they are all Marshmallow at the moment, but I was running Pure Nexus Lollipop in my primary spot right up until AOSP or AOSIP came out with um, their ROM with the theme engine in it. Since then, I've pretty much held that in my primary spot now. The point of this video is a lot of people that's been using the update. It's not actually an update from the developer, but from somebody that was actually on the thread itself, came up with a fix for this from another thread for another device. He ported it over to this one, and it's working fine. The problem is your app is going to look like this. So when it's all said and done, and you boot up, and you open your app is going to say multi-ROM recovery is not installed. I assure you, it is installed and it works 100%. You can reboot to system recovery or bootloader right from here if you want, or you can just power off and boot up normally. And when it does boot up, it is going to stop on the multi-ROM page just like it always does, and you are going to have to hit either cancel or boot now. And then if you hit cancel, obviously you have to pick the ROM that you want to boot to. What I want to do is I want to show you the thread. I'm going to go to my XDA HD Premium app. And if you look at this post, of course this was quoted, and this post was put in a long time ago. But it says basically that, he found the zip and the zip works. And if you follow this link, it will take you to where you can actually download it. And what you're going to find is you're going to find these 3 files. Now, the one in the middle is obviously just your MD5 checksum file. If you're into that, I don't use that anymore. I pretty much know how to check without that. But these are the 2 files you want to download are the one on top, which is the multi-ROM 2015-1104 V32 unofficial, and then you want to download the TWRP 2870, or it might even be 2871. I'm not 100% sure. Multi-ROM Shamu. You want to download those 2. Then you want to boot into recovery. You want to flash the first one, the multi-ROM. Let it flash completely. Reboot back into recovery. Then flash the TWRP 287 multi-ROM. and then flash back into recovery again. Now you can go and add any ROM to any position that you want. Well, guys, I hope this helped. I'm going to try to post the links in the description so that you guys can fix this for yourself, and I hope it helps a lot of you guys out that are running multi-ROM and that are having issues with Lollipop and Marshmallow ROMs running in secondary positions. Again, this is Glockman4519. I thank you, all my subscribers. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And I will see you on the next one.